Hello everyone, welcome back to Diamond Paints with Mike in what is a very exciting unboxing for me here today, all the way from China. It did actually come from Amazon, but it was actually shipped from China. It was a whopping $12.99. It's probably one of the most expensive paintings I have because I like to buy a lot of the cheap ones, but I just couldn't say no. No matter what the figure is, I wanted it. And in here was the next painting for the zoo theme, but unfortunately, due to the time I ordered it, it didn't arrive in time to do it, and therefore it's going to have to wait until next time I do the zoo theme, which I'm not sure when that will be yet. But this is the next animal taking over from Red the Tiger. This is going to be called oh, what's his name? I can't remember. It will come to me, but we'll have to do that in the next one. But can you see what this is, guys? I was a little bit hesitant because apparently they call this a custom. I didn't give them the picture. It's already on there, and I'll put the link in the description so you guys can get it. But look, I just had to have this. Isn't that gorgeous? I do apologise about the sun reflection. I'm recording this in the evening, so the sun's about to go to bed, but isn't that gorgeous? Ah, yes, Hirambe. Yes, Hirambe was a gorilla. I think it was Hirambe. But what happened was, in the enclosure, something happened and a little boy fell into the enclosure. And this is on Google, you can Google that. And what happened is Hirambe came along, and obviously he didn't understand why he was in the enclosure, so he's dragged him along the enclosure to try and think like he's one of them, and unfortunately he thought it was a baby gorilla, but the zoo actually shot him dead. So yeah, it's such a tragic story, but I'll try and put the link of that story in the description so you guys can check. So he wasn't causing any harm or nothing, but to them it's looked like he was like sort of attacking the boy, I suppose. But yeah, so this is in memory of Hirambe. It's come out really, really clear. I mean, even down to the little lip here is absolutely superb. And I tell you what, the excitement of waiting for this, the stick is fabulous. And I am so like buzzing for this right now. I cannot wait to get into it. It's such a shame that it didn't come when I wanted it to come. But yeah, this is the one that I've been teasing you about. And I will get that done probably next year now, but in memory of Hirambe there. And also I'm part of the Gorilla organisation, so I do donate to that charity because they do a fabulous job, and look, I can't stop touching it where I love it. So enough rambling on, let's move into the Shimetic. Is actually this side, and you've got a lot of greens and blues here because obviously he's round in the foliage, and the silverback as well was absolutely fantastic. I don't think you're going to get another better painting than this, guys, so it does take a little bit of a while to come, but I think I was waiting about, I'd say probably about a week-ish, same sort of time as Temu really. And that is the little tray that we've got, and they have very kindly given us Ziploc bags. And you know, as a rule, I don't open up separate bag drills purely because there's so many of them. And yeah, I am literally, you can pretty much see they're all sort of green and blues in there, but also because it hasn't got Shimetic in there, I'm likely going to lose them with other sealed up bags that I have. But yeah, I am literally so buzzing to get into this. I'm literally going to work on it like fairly soon, like, because I'm not prepared to wait like until the next theme is here. I've been eagerly awaiting for it, so I want to get dived into it. And you never know, it could be on the September completions or August. We're still halfway through August at the moment, but yeah, right now for the fun part. Now, ka-ching! You know what boxes these are, guys. It is coasters. Now, this actually came separate to the Gorilla because they were in two different packages, and I thought, you know what, rather than do single ones, I'll just jam it all into one. Now we're doing a bird theme, at the moment, and I was trying to look for some bird coasters. I like to spice it up a bit, not just do canvases all the time. And I thought, do you know what? I'll chuck some bird coasters in. So in here, as I took a brief look because I no longer cut them out of the bags. It's very time consuming, and trying to dive to the right one, you know, is or the one you want to do show first is can be a bit of a headache at times. But in here, I haven't opened them, as you can see, so I'm not sure what it's going to turn out. But as you can see, pretty much we're going to have some gorgeous pink here. It's probably like a hot pink, which is Lizzie's favourite colour. And already I'm gonna tease you a bit, but let's see if we can. Yeah, I haven't had a chance to look in these yet, but and also opening them up before you actually, you know, do them gives you a chance to, like, if there's a problem with it, you can tackle it first before you actually dive into the video, rather than open it and be disappointed, you know. So that was another reason. But inside here, guys, do you think you know what it is? One of my favourite birds of all time. Are you ready? It is the hummingbird. A lot of us in the diamond painting community love hummingbirds. I know I do. I don't know if it's on my channel, but I did do like a it was like a little wave 5 one on a canvas, but let's just put them to one side because I'm going to keep you teasing. We've got we've got bags in this one. Wow, okay, cool. And already look at this beautiful glittery shine. We have got some fabulous drills in this. So wow, good God, they've been very generous. Look at that. Wow, we've actually got 3 whole packs of this silver colour. Oh, that's fabulous. And then in here we've actually got they're all basically what I would assume of, I always get confused, but I think these are rhinestones, as in like rhinestone cowboy. I love that song. But anyway, we got a yellowy colour, we got an amber, and we got a green, another lime green, a darker green there. Oh man, that blue, seriously, hang on a minute guys. Could you imagine like putting that blue on my sea turtle painting that I got a few weeks ago? You know that one from the range? Like, do you see my vision here? Oh man, yeah. If we've got any spares, I might swap some out for ABs. We've got a black there, and we've got a light blue, and a dark blue, and a beautiful, I think that's probably a rose pink. You know the ones that they put on, that colour that they put on iPhones? I believe their latest model has a very gorgeous pink colour. Rose gold. It's not rose gold, but it's like a proper pink. And then we got a gorgeously red one there. We got a purple and an apricot and a beautiful hot pink there. And we've got a sort of like a really dull colour there and a purple. So now the fun part begins. I'm so excited for these guys. And look, I mean, the detail is phenomenal on this. Already looking at the first one, it's so crisp and clear. What I do like is this lovely sort of ring of different colours going around, and then you've got that lovely cream background, and then what you've also got is the lovely colours into the bird as well. Now you do get yourself this lovely little I should be one of them people that, you know, big TV. I'll be very good at trying to get people to buy it. Oh dear. Right, I've just noticed something. As you can see, all these, I think Teresa had a problem with her one before. Or was it the stand things? But as you can see, I have seen we've got a breakage there. Now, what's interesting is that's not actually cracked. That's actually... It looks like that's supposed to be pinched together, but they probably forgot to weld it. That's not coming off, but it's got a crack on it. And you know what I'm like? I like things perfect, but do you know what? Oh, that's annoying. I used to do welding in college with MIG and TIG and that whole thing, but if I had a welder, I'd weld that back together. I mean, a soldering iron might do that, actually. Have to take it to the repair shop, eh? But I'd love to go on that show, but it's too far away from where I'm based in Braintree. So, yeah, it's probably a trek. But anyway, let's get into these. Now we've got a whacking great big pack here. So we have this lovely green one. Oh, oh wow, he's funky. He's got like, it looks like he's got like legs on the bag. It's obviously a tower, but it just looks like he's hopping on his foot there. Oh wow. Oh, very green here. Oh cool. Okay, that's a little bit too green, I reckon. And we've got, oh, that's nice. It's a sort of like one sitting on what looks to be a branch here. We've also got, again, these are like pairs, aren't they? You know, years ago where you would get like playing cards, and you used to like put your pairs together and press snap or whatever it was. Oh, that's gorgeous. That's like the one I got from Vintage. You know that hummingbird on that big square canvas thing that I got from Vintage? Oh, do you know what? That's gorgeous. Really like that. And the wings certainly overpower this one, doesn't it? You've got that tiny body and these big wings. And yeah, that's okay. I think that's probably not my least favourite there. And we've got this lovely, beautiful blue there. Now, what's going to be lovely about that, and as you can see, we've got that lovely blue there. So that, guys, is that colour that I was going to, you know that blue that I told you about, which was, I think, no, that's not the pack. It is, sorry, there to another coaster. I think it will be that sort of blue there. So now I don't know what I've shown and what I haven't shown. Oh no. Okay, so that's that one, and then we have that one. I think, was that our first one? But yeah, we have one. Yeah, must have been the first one. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And again, they don't come with cork backings, but you can always get a whacking great piece of cork and then just make them. They're easy to do. You know, light down, put it down, circle it around with a pencil, and then cut it out. So and then put bits of adhesive on it and glue it on. But I think I paid £11 for these, so I'm really happy with my purchase, apart from the little collision with that pipe there. But as I said, that is absolutely fabulous. Really happy with my purchase. And as I said, I will put the links in the description so you guys can get this. So once again, we've got the Hummingbird Coasters. I thought that was really good to launch on the channel for the bird theme that we're doing. Just break it up a bit for encounters. And then we got this beautiful, gorgeous gorilla, guys. I cannot tell you, I was searching for a gorilla. I really wanted to do a gorilla, and I was searching, and everyone that was come up just wasn't doing it for me. And I found this on Amazon, because originally I searched on it on Temu, and then I gave up in the end and searched on Amazon, and there it was, waiting for me all along there. And oh man, like I'm so over the moon with this, literally buzzing about this. It's so gorgeous. But anyway, I could talk for Britain. Thank you for watching. Please remember to do all them lovely YouTubey things. Like, share, subscribe. Tap on that notification bell so that you can be notified as and when a video pops up and you don't miss out on the action. Also, subscribing to the channel, where it's totally free of charge and doesn't cost you anything. It really helps the channel out. And also, listening to it as a podcast, or watching it, or listening it, or just watching while you're cooking your dinner. Whatever you do to support the channel, your support is very much appreciated. Thank you for watching this evening, and we'll see you next time. Bye.